What is that, sir?
Cider.
Oh man, good find. How much?
800.
Woo! Is that a good price?
No.
Damn, it looks heavy though. Have a good one, dog. Thank you. Well, I'm thinking stuff like this would come in handy for anyone on the mad hunt for parts. Look at that. What we got there? We got 250. Right over there. Hidden treasures. Hidden treasures. All right, folks. Today is the first time I'm gonna be filming in the vendor section in Pomona. I'm just gonna look around, shoot some cool stuff, fix my glasses. Let's go have some fun. That's a nice find. That's it. How much you pay for it?
I think it was 150.
That's worth it. That's worth it.
And so to put over your steering wheel to keep the sun off and stuff. But I used to have one. I think I gave it away when I was steering wheel because these ones get so.
You just buy that?
Yeah.
How much?
$20.
Gee, that's a good find, dog.
Yeah. All right, thanks, bro. Hey, no problem.
So cute.
Ooh, nice.
¿Sabes qué? Levanta tú de esa. Levanta tú de esa.
Oh, you made it sound. Goodbye. What's that part for, sir?
For the license plate on the front, and the license plate goes right here.
Oh, $15?
No, not 15.
Oh no, how much?
150.
150. Oh, okay, look.
I'm good now, but I knew.
Whoa.
It'll be okay.
When they're restored, they're a little over 10,000. Right. But again, for how many people we want to buy one, I don't think I'm
Oh, big box, sorry.
working on the car while you're driving.
Top the girl. And he wants more. And I'm like, girl, you know how much okay.
Lots of stuff.
Someone said down there, Rivas. Rivas. Down that way? Yeah, 3 or 4 aisles. Somebody does construction. He's on that side of the aisle. What is it?
Signs of time, baby. Look at this. Okay. I just wanted to show you the website or the page to follow, Signs of Times. Dope. Signs of times.
Yeah. Instagram, nice Instagram.
Drop in and turn on.
21,000.
This is very strong. 15K. Can you put this in hectic?
Anything you want.
Chevy, huh? Chevy.
This guy got everything, man. Wait, what? What?
You played the one.
Hey, watch out, buddy. Point that camera somewhere else.
Help y'all with.
Oh, shit.
Only thing I gotta drink now, eh?
It'll go down anyway, nah.
You know? They already drank my drink. Yeah, so when you call in, you want to talk to me because I'm usually out in the shop. Okay.
Es que me quedé echando chisme.
No, thank you.
The trailing of the big thing.
Sorry. This guy came in with a good find. Oh, you got the seat? Nice. Oh, good stuff. Good stuff.
You did it. Hey, you did it.
He liked it.
Oh. Hit him with the right. Pendejo, I told you, pendejo. Ya te tienes chingazos.
You guys got some good finds today, huh?
Yeah, man.
How much that stuff cost right there? Cheap?
Yeah.
Cheap? What's that like? What is that?
$200. We got our
Damn, man.
or
Come
64
on.
quality.
Goodbye, huh?
Yeah.
Nice. Oh, good find, man. Nice. How much for both? How much? Oh, you don't know? He goes. Got a good find there, huh? How much for the set?
$9.40.
Oh, dang. Nice, man. All right, some people got some good finds here. Oh, let's see what they got. Well, this guy got a whole bumper. Dang. Good find, man. Good find. It's nice. I like that. This guy got some rims. Yeah.
Those are new.
Whoa.
They're new.
Nice.
Yeah, you bought them.
Yeah, we're out.
We're here.